This is Copier Relay. It mirrors one of your MetaTrader 5 accounts to another on the same machine, and then it does the part most copiers skip. It protects the account the trades land on. Every copier moves the trades. Almost none protect the account they land on. The receiving side inherits someone else's sizing and someone else's bad day. A copier that only mirrors turns one account's worst session into two. The copying first. Positions, closes, partial closes and stop changes. Stops travel as distances from entry, rebuilt on the receiver's own fill, so two price feeds can never put a stop on the wrong side. Lot sizes come from the receiving symbol's own contract size. Symbol mapping, filters, reverse copying. And it is restart safe. A crash never leaves you a duplicate. Two brokers rarely name the same instrument the same way, so the map resolves it, set once and it persists. Then every symbol and every source magic has its own switch. Off stops new copies, it never closes what is already open. And a symbol the receiver has never seen arrives held, waiting for you. One chart in each terminal. The sending side publishes, the receiving side follows and tells you honestly whether the link is alive. Copies open, master positions, the pending orders that were not mirrored. Then its own sizing, its own stop enforcement, its own day. The limits, said plainly. Both terminals run on the same computer or virtual server. No DLL, no network, no cloud. Resting pending orders are not placed on the receiver in this version. Hedging accounts only. And no hidden stops, because a hidden stop means your broker sees a naked position. Here is the part that matters. A copy arrives with no stop. The receiver attaches a real one, broker side, and re-verifies it every pass. Then the day goes against you. Not the sender's day, the receiver's own. At its own daily limit, the guard flattens the copies and stands the account down. The free Copier Relay core runs the same copy engine. This version adds the risk layer, risk percent from the real stop distance, a per trade cap that sizes down or skips, a hard stop on every copy, and daily loss and drawdown guards on the receiving account. Setup is 3 steps. Attach it in the sending terminal and set the role to master. Attach it in the receiving terminal and set the role to slave. Then pick your sizing and set the guards on the receiving side. No martingale. No grid. No averaging down. Copier Relay is on the MQL5 market, and the link is on screen. Relabeling is hygiene across your own accounts, not concealment. If you trade a funded account, check your firm's rules on copied trades first.